my case, and it was also the main reason why I came here to this summer school, is the interdisciplinary approach and the idea of having intersectionality considered into it, especially about colonialism and decolonializing their perspective. Since I know I'm a white woman, and even though I can try to decolonialize myself, I have a lot of work to do on that. So the decolonization part was the most interesting one for me. I would say it was overwhelmed, but like in a positive way, because I had many insights, many reflections from other perspectives. Like I always work in academia, so for me, listening to experience from NGOs, from lawyer firms, from students too, it has been, yes, it's overwhelming in a positive way, because I had many insights, and also I think it might make research more concrete in the future. Like, how can you really be intersectional and you can involve all the possible identities in gender studies?